Hey there, I'm Chris Peach from MoneyPeach.com and 1AZ Credit Union, and here are the top 7 questions you should be asking your mortgage lender. The first question you want to have ready is how much home can you actually afford? Now, your lender will work with you to help you determine the amount of home you can afford based on what monthly mortgage payment you can afford. But a good rule of thumb is to keep your mortgage payment at 25% or less of your take-home pay. Then compare that number with what your lender says you can afford and go from there. Question number 2, am I pre-qualified or am I pre-approved? If you're confused about the two, don't worry, I promise you're not alone. Now here's a simple breakdown. Pre-qualification is just a quick snapshot of your possible mortgage loan based on your very basic review of your income, your assets, your liabilities, and your credit score. But pre-approval, on the other hand, now that holds a lot more weight because it requires a much more in-depth application followed by a review process. Also, pre-approval on a mortgage typically results in a hard inquiry on your credit, therefore you can expect this to impact your credit score. Moving on to number 3, which mortgage is best for me? With so many different mortgage options available, ask your lender to explain how each mortgage loan works and to explain why one loan may be better than the other types of mortgage loans for you. The bottom line is you need to choose which is best for you, but it doesn't hurt to have your lender walk you through each of your options. Number 4, how much will you need for a down payment? The loan type you choose will determine the down payment amount. You may need to put 3.5% down, 10% down, or 20% down. And when we're talking about mortgages, the down payment can vary by thousands of dollars. So yes, this is an important question. Number 5, what is my interest rate? I know this one seems like a no-brainer, but there is more than meets the eye when it comes to interest rates. You see, there are 2 different rates you're going to find. One of them is the rate the mortgage payment will be based on. To simplify this, let's just call this the payment interest rate. But then there's also the APR, which is the annual percentage rate. Now this rate will be higher than the payment interest rate because it includes the payment rate plus other charges that will be part of your loan. And these charges, they're made up of discount points and any other fees charged by the lender. Therefore, asking for the APR and then having the lender break it down for you is a must. Remember, this is how much you're actually paying. Number 6, how much are my closing costs? Now, when you purchase a home, you will also be required to pay closing costs, and these costs typically range between 2% and 5% of your home's purchase price. To put this into perspective, a $300,000 home could have closing costs that range from $6,000 to $15,000. So ask your lender to break down the closing costs so you know exactly what you're paying for, but more importantly, why you're paying for it. Lastly, number 7 is ask your lender, what will my total monthly payment be? Now, often when we see an advertised mortgage payment, what we're seeing is the principal and interest portion of the payment. But your monthly mortgage payment includes the principal, interest, taxes, and any type of homeowner's insurance you may have. For example, in Arizona, a $350,000 mortgage at 3.5% interest rate will have a principal and interest payment of $1,572. However, let's add in taxes at $181 and homeowner's insurance of $70. And if you put less than 20% down, you'll need private mortgage insurance of $146. So that puts your total monthly mortgage payment at $1,969 or 25% more than just the principal and interest payment. Alrighty, my friends, take these 7 questions with you and have them ready to go when it comes time to meet with your next mortgage lender. And of course, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, drop me a comment, and share this video so we can help as many people as possible make better decisions with their money.